Alright traders, I hope you guys are doing well today. I had one trade on ONCS. I missed the initial, ascending triangle breakout. But then I bought it on a pullback, made a little bit of money. Wasn't the best trade, wasn't the worst trade. Hope you guys learned something. Try to let the dust settle a little bit and let the trade come to me, because on Monday mornings, there's usually a lot of volume everywhere. It's kind of scattered. What we want to do is let all the volume come to the one stock. ONCS, this one looks like it's going to retest $1. UXIN, this is where all the volume is. It was pushing on up. Friday, it trended very nicely. We had a little bit of a gap down over the weekend, but now we're pushing on up. The thing is, we're about to approach tough 50-day moving average resistance. That's at about 531 or 2. This could get up to that area, could break it just a little bit, but I think this is probably going to be somewhere around the top. UXIN is pushing on up. On a stock like this, I would normally buy some sort of a pullback. But the thing is, it's about to hit very tough resistance. I don't see it breaking through that today, so I don't know how much potential there is left. ONCS, this one is getting the break. Let's see if it's going to be a fake out breakout, if it's going to break past 105 pre-market resistance, or if it's going to start pulling back here. This was a beautiful triangle right around 96.7 cents. ONCS, this one does have room to move up to about 128. So I might look for a pullback on it, see if we can get it back down near $1. We're seeing a couple upper shadows right around these areas. So what I'm looking for is a pullback. I really want to see a pullback. I'm not going to buy into green candles. I've got burnt way too many times doing that. I buy into pullbacks into red candles, not into green. Because there's a lot of people shorting up in here and a lot of people taking profits, as it's moving up. I do think eventually this is going to be riding off of this trend right here. We're going to see a pullback back down to about $1. Alright, and I'm picking up 2,000 shares as it's coming down right now, about 104. My risk on this is going to be below this trend line. If it cracks that, I'm out. This one's still working. I feel pretty confident with it though. It's still bullish, still above that trend. Let's look at the 5-minute chart on this, because remember, our 1-minute chart gives us our entry, our 5-minute gives us the direction of where the stock's going. You guys know I love different levels of support. We have the VWAP support, we have trendline support, and we have $1 support, all around the same area. 3 different layers of support. That is a great thing to see. And this is something I will buy up every single time. Now, if it's just one level, like if it's just the dollar, dollar support is still nice, but when you have 3 different levels, VWAP and trendline, guys, this is the bread and butter. I have complete confidence that this will work out. But the thing is, if it doesn't, I'm going to cut. You can't just approach it saying, this is going to work out, there's no other way. That's why traders lose so much money, because it cracks that support and then they say, well, let me hold till the next level of support. It'll come back around. They just start hoping, and hoping's not a strategy. What we want to do is predefine our risk and cut at that level of support that we predefined. Because even if you take a loss on it, as long as that's part of your plan, that's okay. We did see a little pop right there. I haven't sold yet just because we're still on this trend. We're looking good. I want to see it back over $10. Let's see if we can get it right here. Alright, I took it all right around $1.10, which was kind of an emotional trade. I got in at about $1.04, with about 4 or 5 cents of risk. And to take 4.5 cent profit, that's 1-to-1. That's not very good. I should have scaled out right there. I got kind of emotional. It was coming up to where these upper shadows were here, and I said, oh, let me get out. I don't want to see it pull back. I know at the end of the day I'm green, that's good, but I want to learn from this. I need to be scaling out. Alright traders, that's going to do it for today. I got to head out, going to Miami to see Patrick. The flight is still scheduled. Yesterday's got canceled because of the blizzard, but we're hoping that this one's going to work out. I'm going to pack, get some lunch, and head out. I'll see you guys tomorrow.